Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by gathering what you need and making a safe copy. First, back up your Geometry Dash resources and any level files you'll touch. Next, install an audio editor and a file manager that can access the game folder. You'll also need the custom song installer or mod tool. Convert or export your track to OGG or MP3 at a stable bitrate so timing remains consistent. Once done, place the converted file in a working folder ready for editing. Now you perform the replacement and align the timing. Open the level data to find the song file name, ID, and any offset values. You'll update these to reference your new file. Replace the audio in the game's assets or import through the custom song manager, making sure file names and ID match exactly. Use your audio editor to trim silence and nudge the waveform so beats align with level triggers. Re-export and confirm the duration and sample rate remain identical. Finish by validating and fixing any issues you find. Launch Geometry Dash and play the level. Listen for sync, clipping, and volume balance, and make incremental offset adjustments if timing is off. If the song fails to load, clear the game cache, restart, and recheck file names and ID. Make sure file permissions allow reading. If problems persist, compare original and new file metadata, adjust sample rate or re-encode, and repeat testing until the track plays correctly and consistently.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.